In this video, we shall show how to generate the numbers of the Pascal triangle. So last time, we just took the numbers in the Pascal triangle and we used those numbers to expand the integer power of a binomial. But this time, we shall look into how to produce those numbers. You know what? There is just many patterns about this Pascal triangle, and I wouldn't be surprised if in some universities they are devoting a seminar. It's like one semester of an elective devoted exclusively to Pascal triangle. Our concern now is how to generate this triangle, at least to generate what we can conveniently fit into a paper. Well, one pattern that is easy to remember is that the numbers to the sides of your triangle, left and right, are just 1. So these are like the coefficients of x to the n, and this one would be the coefficients of y to the n. There is also symmetry about the numbers. If you were to draw a vertical line through the vertex and perpendicular to the base of our triangle, the numbers are in symmetry. It's like when you fold the line or when you fold the plane across this line, the numbers will fall on top of one another quite perfectly. So 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, so on and so forth. And so the symmetry of the Pascal triangle should help you fill in the elements of this triangle. And you know what? There's just so much pattern that is embedded in this triangle. Let's say, for example, look at this. These are the counting numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the same with the numbers to the side. These are all the counting numbers. And look at this, look at this. This is like an increasing sequence of numbers, and the difference between them is increasing. Look at this. The difference between these two is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on and so forth. So that is something to recall. But there is just so many patterns that is contained in the Pascal triangle. Okay, so our major concern now is how to generate the numbers inside the triangle. Look at that. 2 is the sum of the two numbers above it that are in diagonal with number 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. How about this? This is the sum of the two numbers 1 and 2. The same with this one. It's 2 plus 1. This one is the sum of 1 plus 3. 6 is the sum of 3 plus 3. 4 is the sum of 3 plus 1. How about these numbers? Well, 5 is the sum of 1 plus 4. 10 comes from 4 plus 6, so on and so forth. So that is one pattern that will help you fill in the elements of your Pascal triangle. Okay, so we have here the Pascal triangle, and we shall fill in, and I want you to guess in advance what would be the number that is contained in each of the circle. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so you already know this one. This one ought to be 2. Okay, so I will give you time to figure out what are the elements that is hidden behind these circles.